don't do exercise just because you have to, and you have to look good. I want to get slim for this wedding. Why for the wedding? Why not for the entire life? Ladies, first of all, don't fear weights. Women and men have different hormones in their body biologically. We don't have the hormones which men have at a very high level in our body, so we cannot develop that amount of bulk as the men. So if you start lifting weights, it's just going to make your muscles more toned and tighter, and the more tonicity and tightness of muscles you develop right now in old age is going to sustain. I've seen women who have delivered, who were pregnant previously, who have gone through cesarean sections during labor and all that stuff I've seen, and they have started lifting, and it is incredible how they look right now. They are much more attractive than before. So if you are aiming for that attractive physique, you want to reduce some part of your body, it's not going to happen like that. You're supposed to change your entire lifestyle for that, and it's not just that part which you're going to change, you know, that particular part. If you want to tone the back of my arms, that's not going to happen. You are supposed to keep a good nutrition plan, you're supposed to keep a good workout, and you have to change your entire body fat level, your entire lean muscle mass level inside your body. That is all how that's going to work. Start lifting once this lockdown thing ends. Please start lifting weights if you are in a gym. If you're not in a gym, then I suggest you do some resistance training at home at least. Start with some push-ups, pull-ups. Just try. They are not something only which only a guy can do. Even girls can do that. It's not. Stop categorizing exercises which are there for girls and exercises there which are for boys. That is not the thing. Every person can do every freaking exercise in their life. They have the capability. It's all about your mental willpower. So I suggest you start lifting weights. You're not going to get bulky. My second tip for my female friends is that we have a lot of hormonal issues. We have many hormones compared to guys. So those hormones are essential for our reproductive purposes, our menstrual purposes, and many other things. So we tend to keep or store fat in our body because of our hormones actually. So it's difficult for us to deal with that. And when it comes to periods and menstrual irregularities, we tend to have a lot of hormonal fluctuations wherein we start getting irritable, we have emotional instability and all that stuff. So there are some lifestyle disorders in females, most of you females must be having, that is PCOD, you know, where you start gaining weight unknowingly, and it's really difficult to bring it back down, and your periods go irregular. So that is what happens in women, weight issues and hormonal issues. So why these hormonal issues happen is all because of your lifestyle. Obviously, your lifestyle, and in that lifestyle, a major role plays, and a major factor plays a role, and that is your stress. You have to bust your stress. It is all about mental strength. It's all about your willpower. It's about how you deal with a situation, how you perceive a situation. Every failure is a stepping stone for getting better. So please do make sure that you are regulating that. And going into this fit lifestyle is not only going to help you get physically better, but is going to get you mentally also better, because we release happy hormones when we exercise, and that is biologically I'm saying, you release happy hormones. Those are called as endorphins after exercising. So just go with it. Don't do exercise just because you have to, and you have to look good. I want to get slim for this wedding. Why for the wedding? Why not for the entire life? You can get better physically. You can look better every morning when you wake up and you see yourself in the mirror. Damn, is that me? That's how you're going to react when you do this for a lifestyle. Okay, so those are my biggest fitness mantras and my fitness tips for all the female friends of mine who really wish to change their lives, or who really wish to get fit. So that is what I recommend.